Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. So, when we go to our TikTok application and then click on the plus icon at the bottom center corner of our screen, then go to our gallery and then select the photos that we want to upload, we will be able to slide to our right to see the other photos. But if that is not working on your phone, the thing that you can do is to okay, let's discard this first. So you just have to click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen first, okay? And then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and then click on settings and privacy. So now you just have to scroll down and then look for the free apps space option. So you'll just have to click on it and then you'll just have to clear the cache and also the downloads of the TikTok application. Okay, so right after that, you'll be able to refresh your TikTok application. So now go to your phone settings and then go to your apps. Okay, then click on manage apps. Okay, let's use the search bar to search for the TikTok application. So now we'll just have to uninstall this app and then reinstall it again. Okay, so in that way the app could have a fresh start. So you'll be able to fix your problem. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.